you want to easily control someone else's phone, then watch this entire video. We will use Xim Remote. So let's get started. First, you'll need to hold the device you want to control for a moment. Then open the Chrome browser. Then you will search for Xim Remote there. Make sure to carefully check it's Xim Remote, that's Xim Remote. After that, you will search for it and then scroll down the page. Next, you will open that specific web browser from this location. Then you'll need to scroll down further. Here, you should click on the download option. Following this, you will be required to download it. So go ahead and click on the download option right from here. After this, please close the advertisement. Now after you scroll down, click on the download option once more. From this point, your download will begin, and after it has finished, first you will have to open it up. Once you have opened it from here, we will need to install the file. So let us go ahead and install it now. Then you can go ahead and open it up. After you've got it, scroll down from here and then sign up. Next, you'll sign in here using your email and password. For this, you will need to provide your email and password. Then, if you wish to use my referral code, you may. After you have clicked on the login or sign up button, your registration process will officially begin. From this point, you will need to wait for a short while for the sign up process to finish loading completely. Next, you should click on the continue option, and the final task is to grant the permissions and turn the service on. To do this, scroll down and click on the start the setup option, and then you will have to confirm every single permission manually. From this point, after a 3-second wait, please allow the permission. If you navigate up from here and long press the Xim Remote and menu, the 3-second timer will no longer be active. From this point, you can now continue allowing the permissions. From here, for accessibility, you need to download the add-on app. Once the download is complete, you need to install it. You can see that it is currently downloading from here. After that, you will install it from here. Once it has been installed, it will no longer have any use. After you complete the installation, from this point you will go to grant permission. If from this very location, restricted settings are applied, then from that specific spot, you must allow it. After you have allowed it, please come back once more. Following your scroll from this screen and then proceeding to the unlock section, you will then search for the add-on application right here. From this exact place, you should type add-on Xim. After taking it, click on the 3-dot option from here. After clicking the 3-dot option, you will lock or unlock it from here. Then come back again and go to grant permission once more. Once again, after coming here, you'll need to allow this. After allowing it, you'll then return to the app. Following this, the service will automatically start. From this point, you can easily switch the service on or off. So make sure to keep it in the off position. That completes the task. Now please return to your personal phone. Now we're going to take control of someone else's phone. For this, you'll simply open the Chrome browser on your own phone. Next, from here, you'll want to search for Xim Remote once again, and then in exactly the same manner, you'll head back to the previous website. Following that, you have the option to click on the Control Now button right here. But before you do that, it would be a good idea to log in from this location. After this, you will then log in once more from here using the exact same email ID and password. Then you will proceed to the dashboard by selecting the Go to Dashboard option. So from this point, we can now gain complete control over that other person's phone. Again, you can switch the camera from back to front here. Let's see how to hide that app on someone else's phone. For this, go to the settings option. Here you can see app visibility and dummy option. From here, you can change the app visibility. So I'll show you by installing the app on my own phone. If I turn off app visibility now, the app will be hidden. You see, it's hiding. If I turn it on, it reappears. Also, we can change the dummy icon here. Like I changed the compass. You see, the compass appeared. This way you will be able to hide this application from others' view. Let's take a look at the remaining features. After you come to the dashboard here, you can take photos using the camera. Following this, you will be able to record videos from right here. Then you can refresh the application and also stop everything. And then down below, you can see the screencast option. You will be able to directly view another person's phone screen from here and control it with the available options. So right here, if you look down, you'll find camera cast. From this option, you can very quickly cast the camera of that particular phone, and it's quite straightforward to do. Alright, so let's scroll down a bit further now. Here, you can clearly see the options for link sender and also add overlay. With these, if you wish, you can display any photo, image, or even a link directly onto someone else's phone screen. So now let's go down. Here you can see the asset gallery. Before that, let's check usages billing from here. From here, you can see everything, including how long it's been active. From here, you can earn credits by clicking watch ads and viewing the advertisements. So now let's proceed to the asset gallery. You can view videos and photos captured on others' phones in the gallery here. For any questions, comment. If needed, use Xim Remote.